Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Sorry, we were trying to capture some footage on the 2008 Dodge. Camera died and just completely trashed out. As you can see, we've been working. So let's go ahead and take you over here and show you what we did. So basically we had a couple cooling upgrades to add to our 2008 Dodge with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel in it. As you can see here, got some cooling upgrades, lost some parts
Some brave parts
somewhere along the road trip. I guess we lost a couple parts under the hood here, but regardless, also we went ahead and upgraded our, sorry it's a little dark, but as you can see maybe there, upgraded our exhaust system. So we now are going to be moving on to cameraman. Say hi, William.
Hello.
Hello. He's dirty too. He's been helping. He's an all-around hand. Our boy William here is just an all-around good hand. But Jake here has some parts to show you guys. Go ahead. What do you got in the box, Jake?
Got 2-inch wheel spacers.
What is that
part
for?
2 of my birthday present for my 2008 Ford Ranger. Part 1 was the cheap little lift that we put on that ended up not being so cheap. On
The
our
two-day project.
It wasn't very fun.
Go check it out.
It was fun. Part 2, 2 inches of wheel space.
What do you got coming on? You got something else coming, right?
So that's part 3.
Oh, we can't spoil it, so I guess stay tuned for part 3.
Part 3 hurt my heart a little bit. It hurt my wallet, but it's okay because
it'll be worth it in the end.
We'll just give you a little hint. That's all I'm gonna give you, though. You're gonna have to stay tuned. So we're gonna go ahead and get the trunk jacked up here and get the stands under it, and let's get these 2-inch wheel spacers. What brand are these? Where they come from?
KSP.
KSP Performance. All right then, great. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Yes.
Alright, so sit right up. We did the other 3. We're only going to show you one for this. So we're using my Billy Badass Cobalt, my little Badass Cobalt torque wrench, 19mm.
Except they're not badass because they're not made in the USA.
But they are sold in the USA.
But they do match the Ford.
What we're doing?
There she blows.
Using the Billy Badass to break all of these off.
Did I mention I'm a civilian?
I think you did. You did. You did. You must have.
It must be nice.
So glad we bought that gun. And if you want to see why I say that his isn't as good as the DeWalt, go watch our last video, the lift kit part 2 video. You'll see why I'm giving him shit.
If it wasn't for this, we wouldn't have got it finished. Because your battery died.
Oh, okay.
Your battery can't hang. 24 volt max. Yours only what, 20?
24 valve Dodge. Get your wheel off, you. We forgot our job.
Oh, geez. Yep, get them off. Spin them nuts.
Have we broken anything today?
Besides,
It's extra light.
Why did you say that? Why did you say that?
No, it's gonna happen now whenever it goes on my truck.
oh, okay. That's okay. We never got break anything on it.
It's like Bob
And
Ross,
let's keep it that
right?
way.
It's like Bob Ross. You put happy too.
It's beautiful.
Huh?
I'm saying it's like Bob Ross. You know, like happy little trees,
Happy little spacer.
happy little spacers.
Let's give it a friend.
Am I supposed to be talking during this time?
Sure.
I'm talking. Alright, so this spacer is lug centric versus hub centric. So this hub centric, you'd have a little lip right here to match the inside lip on the stock, but these are lug centric, so it matches perfectly with the lugs to get it tight. Con to that is the entire weight of the tires is on the lug itself, versus with the hub centric, it distributes between the lip of the hub and the lugs. So now, taking our Cobalt, little one, using a little socket that's not impact rated because our impact sockets won't fit.
Thin wall.
But
We need a thin wall.
that's okay because we're not torquing them down all the way. We're just getting them tight, flush, so we can use our torque wrench.
Go ahead. This part you could speed up too.
We got our torque wrench, torque it to 80 foot-pounds, which is what's recommended. Go to brakes, same pattern that we did. Oh, come on, you. So now we got them torqued down. We put our tire back on.
Oh, was that the jacket?
Oh no.
Is that the screwdriver?
You get it out?
Put it on. See if it fits. I got this.
Yeah, it fits on the other one. Doesn't fit on the other one, so, but. Stand by. I got a 19. Pile of Cobalt. Broke the shell off one of these lug nuts here.
You broke the 1 millimeter thick inch aluminum cap off the lug nut.
Are we in preschool? I break those off in my sleep. That's because I'm not a good mechanic.
And we're done.
Alright.
Now we gotta drop it.
Alright, so we're just wrapping everything up here. Basically, put a new exhaust system on the 2008 as well as some cooling upgrades. Some nice cooling upgrades, and we also put a tuner on this thing from raceme.com. And again, Flow Pro exhaust, straight pipe, turbo back exhaust, 4-inch. It's my wife's truck. 4 inches, a little small for my liking, but hey,
Size doesn't
it's
matter.
not the size that matters, right? gets the job done. But anyway, as you can see, got the new tailpipe there. It goes all the way to the turbo. So that pretty much concludes my project. Mr. Jake here's going to tell you about his.
Alright, so we got the 2-inch wheel spacers on every single one of these tires. Probably get a better angle on this side with our light. It's a little dark now.
It's been a very productive day.
Didn't take too long. Now it sits nice and flush with the stock fender flares that came on this. It's a really good look. I like it. And then that's part 2 of my birthday present. Once part 3 gets here, some real magical stuff happening. I can't wait for it. So that's all we got for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. And again, we just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes and watches our videos.
Wow.
So, thank you.
Wow.
I had to say thank you.
Well, I literally just said that.
Yeah.
You just copied exactly what I said.
I know. Thank you.
Beep.